electrochemical cell. So class, electrochemical cell are those type of cell which convert chemical energy into a electrical energy. An electrochemical cell or a galvanic cell is a device in which chemical energy is converted into a electrical energy. The galvanic cell is also referred to as voltaic cell after the name of Alessandro Volta, 1796, who devised the first galvanic cell. The cell is still known as Volta cell. So firstly, class, we study about the galvanic cell. In an electrochemical cell, firstly we are study about galvanic cell. So क्लास, पहले हम इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ गैल्वेनिक सेल देख लेते हैं कि इसे हम लोग बनाते कैसे हैं. कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ galvanic cell. Okay class. So class, the chemical cell process responsible for the production of electrical energy in a galvanic cell is always a redox process. Therefore, a galvanic cell can be constructed by uniting an oxidation electrode with a suitable reduction electrode. The solution involved in the two electrodes can be made in communication with each other either or by a direct contact through a porous diaphragm or through a salt bridge. So class, there is a one beaker. Sorry class. In this beaker there is two rods. The first rod is anode. एनोड की हम रॉड ले रहे हैं जो कि जिंक की बनी हुई है. दूसरी जो हम रॉड लेंगे वो है कैथोड, और ये हमारी कॉपर की बनी हुई है. अब देखिए इसमें होता क्या है कि इन दोनों से एक वायर निकल के आता है और ये इस तरीके से एक दूसरे से अटैच होते हैं. यहाँ पर क्लास फॉस्फोरस प्लेट पड़ी होती है इन दोनों के बीच में. ये होता है ZnSO4 का सॉल्यूशन, और यहाँ पर हमारा होता है CuSO4 का सॉल्यूशन. ओके क्लास. वहीं पर अगर हम सॉल्ट ब्रिज की बात करें, तो क्लास, देयर इज अ टू बीकर इन अ सॉल्ट ब्रिज. In the first beaker, there is a rod of anode made up of zinc, and the another beaker, there is a rod of cathode which is made up of copper. There is a one U-shaped glass tube which is attached to these two beakers, and this is known as salt bridge. In this, और इसमें फिलअप होता है KCl. यहाँ पर KCl को फिलअप कर दिया जाता है। यहाँ पर जो सॉल्यूशन होता है इस बीकर में वो होता है ZnSO4 का सॉल्यूशन, और वहीं पर यहाँ पर जो सॉल्यूशन होता है उसे बोलते हैं हम लोग CuSO4 का सॉल्यूशन। और वहीं पास से एक वायर आता है दोनों रॉड से, जहाँ पर डिफ्लेक्शन होता है और ये इससे डायरेक्टली अटैच हो जाता है। ओके क्लास, अब देखिए यहाँ पर द इलेक्ट्रोड एट विच ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस occur is called anode, while the one at which the reduction process take place is called cathode. It is to be noted that the anode is of negative polarity while the cathode is of positive polarity in a galvanic cell. For example, if an oxidation electrode Zn2 positive is joined to the reduction electrode Cu2 positive Cu as shown in figure, we get a Daniell cell. The anode of this cell consists of a zinc rod dipped in the solution of ZnSO4 of concentration C1. The cathode is made up of immersing a copper rod in the solution of CuSO4 of concentration C2. The solution Zn2 positive and Cu2 positive ion are made in electrical communication either to a direct contact or through a salt bridge. At the oxidation electrode, anode zinc atom passes into the solution Zn2 positive C1 plus 2 electron, while at the reduction electrode cathode copper ion change the copper atom at Cu2 positive C2 plus 2 E negative is equal to Cu. Due to a potential difference, the electrons are set free on zinc rod and move towards the positively charged copper rod, and thus the current flow in outer circuit. So class, firstly we discuss about salt bridge and its function. A salt bridge is a U-shaped glass tube filled with either of concentration solution of KCl, KNO3, K2SO4 or solidified solution of such an electrolyte in agar-agar and gelatin. The term inert electrode here referred to as electrolytes which neither take part in the redox reaction occurring in the cell not react with either of the electrode present in the two half cell. The main function of the salt bridge are the first function is it completes the electrical circuit by allowing the ions to flow of one half cell to the another half cell. The second function is it maintains the electrical neutrality of the solution present in two half cells. If the salt bridge is not used, the electrical balance of ion in an electrolytical solution of the two electrodes will get disturbed. For example, let us consider the case of Daniell cell. Due to the oxidation process occurring at anode, zinc atom changes into Zn2 positive ion which passes into the anode solution. At the same time, Cu2 positive ion present in the cathode solution take electrons and reduce into Cu atoms which deposit on the cathode. Thus, during the operation of the cell, Zn2 positive ion accumulate in the anodic solution and the deficiency of Cu2 positive ion occurring in the cathodic solution. The cathodic solution. The disturb and the electrical neutrality of the two solutions, the accumulation of positive charge around zinc electrode prevents the flow of electron to the copper electrode. Prevent the flow of electron to the copper electrode. Similarly, the accumulation of a negative charge around copper electrode prevent the flow of electron to Cu2 positive ion. Thus, the flow of electron is hindered and the cell stop working after some. Similarly, when the concentration of SO4 2 negative ion increases in the cathodic solution due to the reduction of copper ion, into copper atoms sufficient number of potassium ion migrate from the salt bridge at the cathode solution and maintain the electrical utility of the solution. The work of a Daniell cell and the role of a salt bridge are shown in the dramatical this bridge.
सो आज के लिए थैंक यू क्लास. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ सेल मैं आपको डिफाइन करूँगी. ओके क्लास.